Everybody, a very good afternoon. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And I'm the founder and the CEO, and we are in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions with products like sofas, lamps, mirrors, consoles. We have cutlery, we have trays, and we have vases and aerial lights and stuff like that, and also art and installation. And it's pretty warm in Delhi, and we are getting to hear about people being rushed to the hospital and stuff. So my utmost request to everybody tune in and following me is to take care of yourself, stay hydrated. I've got this glass of ORS and have watermelon and have lots of fluids and stuff, because we just had a case where a person was sleeping, and after 7 hours of getting up and stuff, he's been rushed to the hospital. So you can imagine the seriousness of this. Of course, he's a little older and stuff, but prevention any day is better. This is a third case of the weekend stuff. So back to the basics of why am I sharing and what am I sharing about. So we spend a lot of time, in events, and most of us enjoy classy drinks like wine. So you have a glass like this, the tip is a sophisticated tip, a classy tip, an elegant tip, a pretty easy to do kind of a tip. If you have glasses, even like a glass like this, if you have, it's really very simple. What you can do is just put in a little bit of pebbles, maybe colorful, maybe white or whatever. And you have bigger glasses like those. This is like a wine or probably a different kind of glass here, but the point is the glasses can be used in stuff, and you could actually keeping the pebbles as a base and a little bit of water and stuff, have small flora in this and stuff. And if you have a set of 6-7 of those, or maybe 12 of those and stuff, you can actually accentuate and enhance the beauty of the space, or the desk, or maybe your table, or maybe your bedroom, or maybe your study room, or your living room, wherever you want to kind of accentuate it. So you can have some very nice, easy to maintain flora, and you can have maybe a money plant, you can have maybe an aloe vera, maybe you can have some nice easy to maintain plants, green plants, depending on what location of the world you're in and stuff. And it's so easy to maintain. Just have water, have pebbles, and just have this on it. And these are easy to maintain. You can just pick them up, and you can place them at various spots and stuff, where you don't have to keep big plants, like maybe in a washroom, maybe on a dressing table, maybe on a dining table, maybe on in your kitchen, maybe in your office space or whatever. And this is going to kind of accentuate and add more beauty, and more of I would say it would just kind of give your space a pretty upbeat and a pretty gorgeous kind of look and a feel. And when you come back, or you're leaving for any place, when you look at something like this, you automatically start feeling elevated and stuff. Why would you look at negative stuff, follow negative information, negative news and stuff? It's a good idea to look at flora and fauna and kind of feel good about it and stuff. And as you see these in your homes or in your spaces and stuff, you're automatically going to get more inspiration and more inspired, probably, to take note of these when you step out of the house. And maybe you can do something even bigger, probably have a rack, or probably have a console which is full of these glasses and club glass and stuff, and a beautiful assortment of glasses and tumblers and containers, probably fish, probably candles, probably just flowers, artificial flowers, and green leaves and stuff. So I got to keep my message short. I've got this cervical noise in my ear and stuff. So take it easy, enjoy yourself, no panic, no fear. Take preventive measures and stuff. Carry water with you. Have a lot of coconut water. Have a lot of beverages and stuff, and stay indoors as much as you can. And if you're stepping out, remember to wear a hat and probably dress up appropriately, or whichever way, because everybody's body temperature is different and stuff, and age has got nothing to do with it. So this is a tip on beautification and sophistication. So it's a pretty elite style, because you all know that flowers and greenery are kind of A lot of people are kind of fond of those. So you can bring it indoors in a very sophisticated manner as this. So you may write to me on jasreenkapani dot im at gmail.com or jkapani at gmail.com. Feel free to write in an email, and thanks for your messages and your likes and stuff. And take each day as it comes, especially in summers. It can be a little frustrating, and it can be a little annoying to kind of feel the heat and snow and stuff. So I think a better check would be to kind of also do a little bit of probably mental management and my mind management and health management. So meditate more, and stay hydrated and focus more on solutions rather than looking at problems and stuff, because that's only one thing which is going to help you kind of steer past the day. And if you have to go to a gym, if you have a fitness activity, try and go in the evening and stuff. So hope this helps. I'm the founder and CEO of I Am Decon Design. Thanks for your messages and emails. Cheers to you on wanting to stay good and great, and enjoying the best of not so great health and stuff, but what the hell. So thanks for your messages and your likes again, and I hope to meet you soon in person as well. So you take care and have fun. Bye bye.